Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shrisha from Trading Explained, and in today's video we are going to understand how to keep your trading losses small. Now all the trading books in the world, all the trading professionals, all the big traders that have been into markets since decades tell you to keep your losses small. They tell you to keep your losses small and ride your winners. That is the only way to make money in markets, but they don't exactly tell you how. And that is exactly why I am making this video, because in this video I am going to discuss about the thoughts that you encounter when you take a trade and when the trade goes against you, and what should be the process of cutting down a loss. So if you are a trader and if you want to be profitable, this video is for you. So make sure to watch the video until the end and make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's begin. When you take a trade, that trade can be distinguished into two major categories. Number one, discretionary trading, or number two, system trading. So what is the difference between the two? Well, in discretionary trading, you take a trade when you feel the market is good to enter, and in system trading, you take a trade only when the system or the strategy that you have developed tells you to enter into markets. And the thing is, when you take a discretionary trade, you are more prone to break your own rules, you are more prone to do emotional trading, you are more prone to make mistakes like over trading, revenge trading, etc. Because there are no rules. When you take a discretionary trade, there are no rules. It is not tested by any system, back tested by any strategy, nothing like that. It is all based on your observation, experience, analysis. You are entering a trade based on all of these, and that is why it is extremely important for you to know where your entry logic is getting negated. Now the problem starts when you enter a trade, but you have no idea where the logic of your entry gets negated. You have no idea where you should be exiting if the market starts to go against you. Like, I used to do this mistake a lot. I used to enter into a trade, I used to have my target level set, but if the market started to go against me, it was like I used to panic a lot. I used to be very clueless. I did not used to know where to exit, and this is the exact same mistake so many people are repeating even today. And this is why I'm making these videos. I want you guys to learn from my mistakes, and that is important, because if you do every mistake yourself and want to learn out of it, then it is going to take years for you to be successful in this profession. Try to learn from other people's mistake, okay? And when you take a discretionary trade, the thing is, you are the only person in charge who knows the logic behind that trade. So if you do not know the exit point if the market goes against you, there's absolutely no one to save you from the market. So let's say you're taking an entry based on a resistance breakout. Okay, if the market breaks above a resistance, you must exit if the market comes down below that resistance again. That is basically the logic of negation, right? If the breakout is correct, if the breakout is right, if the breakout is actual breakout, it is never going to come inside that zone again, okay? Because it is going to be strong, it is going to be with volumes, it is going to be full of buyers, it is not going to give that much of a retracement. But if it comes back down inside that resistance zone again, it means that your logic is getting negated and now you need to get out. So now if you see, you are entering above this breakout and exiting if the market comes over here. So this is a small loss. You're not taking a big loss over here. But let's say the market breaks out, you buy over here, market goes above and then comes back down below resistance. And now at this point, you do not exit. Market is giving you a chance to exit, but you are not exiting. And at this point, market starts to give you hell. Market starts to burn your hands, because at this point, market is telling you to exit and you are not taking an exit. So what happens? Market continues to go against you and you are clueless, you are panicking, you do not know what to do. So you start averaging your positions, you start adding more to that position in a hope that market will just come out of this resistance sometime later, but that never happens. And this is the main reason that people are losing, that they do not know the point of negation if they are a discretionary trader. So if you're a discretionary trader, listen me out carefully. You need to make a system, you need to know your logic of negation, you need to make something, you need to know that basically, okay, I'm entering at this point, then you need to know where your logic of entry is getting negated. You must know that, because if you do not know that, there's absolutely no one who's going to save you from market. Now let's talk about system trading. So in a system trading, you have a system for literally everything. There's a system for entry, exit, stop loss, trailing stop loss, target, whatnot. Everything is set. All you need to do is follow it. But that's where the catch. That's where people make mistakes. People do not have enough discipline to follow the system. Like, if the system is telling them to buy, they will analyze markets in their own ways. They will apply their own brain when it's not needed. They will start thinking about the budget that is coming. They will start thinking about the global fears that are there. They'll start thinking about the Fed event that is coming. they will start thinking about everything else. When system is telling them to buy, they won't buy, and when the market goes up, they will be like, oh, I should have bought because the system told me to. Okay, so now next time when the system tells them to buy, they will buy, but if it goes against them, they will not exit. Why? Because they will think, okay, system ne diya hai, it is going to eventually come up in my favor and I will not exit. No, that is not how you trade, right? If a system is telling you to exit, you must exit. If a system is telling you to enter, you must enter. And at that point, you cannot question the system. You cannot question why you are giving me buy when the market is falling. You cannot question why you are giving me sell when the market is going up. A system is set, it is a strategy, it is based on something, it is back tested by a logic, right? So if it is telling you to do it, just do it, because the risk is managed by the system, right? System is never going to tell you to do something in which you are going to lose 10% of your capital. No, it only happens in discretionary trading. So if you are a system trader, all you need to do is follow your system with all your might. Like, just do that and you are going to make money. But that is where the people are making mistake. That is where the catch is. That is where the mistakes are happening. So what can you do as a system trader? Just follow it. That's the only thing I can tell you about system trading. Just follow it, because you have a system for entry. It also means that you have a system for exit. So when the system is telling you to exit in a small loss, why do you want to analyze market in a discretionary way when you have a system? The system is telling you to enter, just enter. The system is telling you to exit, just exit. So this is the thing where people keep thinking about their own analysis, observations, like, I saw this pattern last time, it worked well, now my system is telling me to go against us. How can I go against that pattern that worked so well last time? Just don't do that. If you have a back tested system, now back tested is the word over here. If you have a back tested system that has given results in the past, just follow that system religiously. You are going to be successful. But again, it is difficult because, as I told you, we are humans. We have our own logics and thoughts at every point. Even if nobody is asking our opinions, we are just having our opinions and giving them to everyone. And as someone actually said it rightly, human opinions are the cheapest commodities on earth. So yeah, it is right, I guess. So I wanted to keep this video short, but I guess this video is not short anymore. This is probably over 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But if you found the video helpful, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I keep coming back with such videos that revolve around trading, trading psychology, trading success. Everything that you need to know about trading, you will find on this channel. So make sure to subscribe. Also watch my other videos. There's a lot of content I have made on trading that is going to help you become a successful trader. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye. Peace out.